Alice, it's an emergency. I can't figure out how to use my microwave. Karen, it's a microwave. Just press start. Easy for you to say. My microwave has 15 buttons, Alice. 15. And one of them says popcorn. Another one says potato. And then there's one that says express. What even is that? Karen, express is a quick start for 30 seconds. You press it and it starts. Well, I did. And it made a weird buzzing noise. And then it stopped. Nothing. Wow. Did you put food inside first, Karen? Oh, well, no. I thought it was testing itself first. That's not how that works, Karen. Microwaves don't test themselves. How was I supposed to know? It has a test button, Alice. Okay, so what are you trying to heat up? Well, leftover pizza. But when I pushed the pizza button, it just started spinning and making weird sounds. Yeah, that's normal. The plate spins. I swear, it was making faces at me through the glass, Alice. It's a microwave, Karen. I just wanted warm pizza, Alice. I think you're overthinking the microwave situation, Karen. Well, no.